Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to customize a Windows 10 IoT LTSC ISO file with pre-installed apps and pre-configured settings. First, you need to prepare a Windows installation ISO file. Next, gather the software you plan to install, and finally, you will need VMware Workstation Pro. Click on Create a new virtual machine. Select Custom. Select I will install the operating system later. Select Windows 10 x 64. Choose the location to save the file and give it a name. Select UEFI. You can set the number of cores and threads as you like. Set the RAM according to your preference. You can select either NAT or bridged. Both will work. Keep the hard drive settings as default and set the disk capacity to at least 60 gigabytes. Select Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Select CD/DVD. Select the path to your ISO file. Now, power on the virtual machine. I will choose the IoT edition because it is supported until 2032. If you choose the non-IoT version, support will end in 2027. Now, press Shift and F10 on your keyboard to open the command prompt. Now, enter the commands shown on the screen. Enter the name, and you're all set. First, you need to install VMware tools. Press Windows E to open File Explorer. VMware tools will be located in the D drive. Once the installation is complete, restart the machine. Now, I need to open the shared folder on my physical computer to install the software. Switch to the Options tab. Select Shared Folders. Check the Always Enabled box. Click Add. Select the folder containing the software you want to install. Now, you need to go to the Network section to find the shared folder. I will quickly install these programs. So, I have finished installing the software. Now, I need to uninstall VMware tools from the machine. Right-click the Windows icon and select Apps and Features. Locate VMware tools and uninstall it. You don't need to restart the machine. If you want to move the icons you want onto the desktop, follow my lead. I will use the Office icon as an example. Right-click the Office app and select Open File Location. I will copy the Office apps that I need. Go to the C drive. Users. Public. You need to enable hidden items to see the public desktop folder. At the top, click on View. Check the Hidden Items box. Go to Public Desktop. Paste your shortcuts here. So, I'm all finished. Now, access the C drive. Windows. System 32. Sysprep. Run Sysprep. Leave the settings as default and click OK. Now, press Ctrl-Shift and F3 to enter Audit Mode. Right-click the Windows icon and select Disk Management. Right-click on the C drive and select Shrink Volume. I will shrink 20 gigabytes for the data drive. Right-click on the unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. I will name it Data. Now, open the Control panel. Select User Accounts. Select Manage Another Account. Select the local account you just created and delete it. Go back to Sysprep. Check the Generalize box and select Shutdown. Now, restart your computer and quickly press the F2 key on your keyboard. Select SATA CD-ROM drive. Select Repair your computer. Select Troubleshoot. Command prompt. I will type Notepad to check the partition letters first. Select File, Open. You can see that my Windows installation drive is now C and my data drive is D. They have changed compared to when we were inside Windows. Now, we need to capture Windows from the C drive to the D drive. Enter the command as shown on the screen. Please change the drive letters to match those on your machine. I have finished capturing Windows. Now I will close the command prompt and select Continue to boot into Windows. I will quickly create a local account. I will quickly reinstall VMware tools. As you can see, the install.vim file has been captured and is now in the data drive. Now, open your browser and install the application called AnyBurn. Select Edit Image File. Select your ISO file from the shared folder. Go to Sources folder. Find the install.vim file and remove it. Click Add and select the install.vim file that we just captured. Name the file and click Create Now. It's all done. Now I will go back to the physical machine and check the shared folder. As you can see, my custom ISO file has been created. Now, I will plug in the external hard drive containing Ventoy, copy the ISO file onto it, and test the installation on another machine. Now, I will check the external hard drive on this machine. Here is the ISO file. Now I will restart the computer, boot into Ventoy, and install Windows using this ISO. I will delete the partitions related to Windows. I have successfully finished the installation. All the applications are pre-installed, so now you just need to install the drivers and you're all set. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more interesting videos about Windows. Have a great day.